Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi prima donna exclusive espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking when cleaning the frother and making coffee. And that was basically because the three-way solenoid that you see here was not providing a good seal around here. And as you can see, there's some water damage. This is after we clean it and everything. So yeah, this was the reason why it was leaking. But not only this, it was also this a double connection that you don't really see it, but right in the middle there's like a small little hole right here, and when water passes through here it will just start spraying all over the place, and this was basically what was causing most of the leak, besides this one. So we had a leak right here, and right in the middle. It was a lot of water coming through the machine. So we also did a DSK on this machine. We did a tune-up, replaced the O-ring from the generator that you see right here, deep clean the shower head of the generator, replace the infuser that we have right now. It's a newer one. This is the old infuser. We also deep cleaned the spouts, make sure that they were like completely free of coffee, and it was just nice and clean. And when we got this can in the machine, we pretty much had to, because we don't have the water faucet that goes right here, we had to improvise a little bit. And as you can see that we had to put a hose and restrict all the micro switches on the machine, and that took a little bit longer than it would have if we had the actual piece. So we're gonna test the machine, starting with one shot of espresso. And where's it? Here we go. See, we have enough coffee. Unfortunately, we don't have coffee, so. Good water flow coming out of the machine, and as you can see, it's pretty hard to see unless you open the whole machine. There are no leaks or anything in the machine. It was a lot of water coming out through these little things. And there you have it, the DeLonghi prima donna exclusive working once again. I will test the steamer, but I'm definitely not gonna do this again. So thank you for your primary Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.